Hello, I'm delighted to show off Flagsmith Grafana integration. We're going to see how exactly Flagsmith annotations can improve observability for Grafana users. This is a dashboard for our Shiny service. You can see we already have some metric populated here. On the left, a Flagsmith project that we're going to use with our service. Let's set up a Flagsmith integration first. We're going to need a service account, so we create one. Let's call it annotator. Give it admin rights and create a service account token. Now in Flagsmith, set up a Grafana integration. Paste the service account token in here. And for the base URL, since this is a local Grafana instance, we're going to use an angrok public URL I have assigned to it. Okay, our integration is set. Now let's go back to our dashboard. So our customers have been pleased with our product so far, but the time has come to test a new AI-powered method of flavor generation. This feature is a part of an important milestone, so we want to tag it. And we have, in fact, tagged it already. It's time to instrument our code with Flagsmith. Let's grab an SDK key. Make sure we use it when we instantiate Flagsmith here. Now, we're going to actually add the new feature to our service. Guarded by the feature flags, of course. So, if this flag, let's copy its name here, is enabled, we're going to return a fresh, newly generated lemonade flavor. But actually, we want to simulate that our feature is in fact bugged. So we're going to set an error status code to the response and also log an error here. All right. Now let's build this service and run it. Looking good. Now let's simulate some traffic. All right. Let's check our dashboard here. You can see some metrics piling up because we simulate a lot of traffic. Our RPS is up, and so is our percentage of 200 requests. It's 100%, because right now our feature is stable. Now what we want to do is to actually add the annotations to the dashboard. So let's go to dashboard settings, annotations, add the annotation query. I'm going to call it Flagsmith. Select the Grafana source. Now we want to choose a tag filter for our annotation query. And now we're going to see which tags Flagsmith actually provides to Grafana. So every event that Flagsmith sends to Grafana is tagged by the main Flagsmith tag. We can also filter by whoever performed the change, by environment, by project, and even by user-provided tags. Remember the important milestone that we attributed to our feature earlier? Let's select that. All right, very good. Apply. Let's go back to the dashboard. Looks like we still generate some strong traffic. Great. It's time to turn our feature on. And let's do it. We can see our annotation has been added to Grafana. But more importantly, we're going to see the impact on the service. we can see that we're having some error logs we didn't have before. Our percentage of 200 requests is declining rapidly, and we're seeing some 500 requests. We can see direct correlation between the feature that has been enabled and the metrics that we're observing. So we can make an informed decision and turn it off. Very nice. We can see a second annotation that tells us that the flag has been disabled. And of course, we can see our metrics straightening up immediately because the new feature was the source of the problem. Now, we send all kinds of events to Grafana. For instance, if we create a segment, which obviously affects how features get evaluated, you're going to know about this. You're not, because to see the segment events, we actually need to remove the milestone tag. Here it is. So as you can see, there's tons of insight to gain from Flagsmith Grafana annotations. Hope you like the new integration.